Are you struggling to increase your customer base? Grow your business without spending a dime. Use Google's new free Merchant Center to get more traffic and increase your sales. This service helps shoppers who prefer to buy locally and want to contribute towards social causes to find small businesses like yours. You qualify as long as you aren't a franchise and your annual revenue is under 10 million. This is a great way to promote your business for free. You can also add attributes like Asian-owned, Black-owned, women-owned, which all tell customers more about your business's unique identity. All you have to do is go to Google Merchant Center, add your business information, add your products, and then submit it for a review. After that, your products will appear on Google Search, YouTube, Google Maps, and the Shopping tab. Customers can click to purchase your products or get directed to your online or physical store. Any changes you make to your product will be automatically synced to Google. Google provides actionable insights to help you grow your business. If you want to further increase your traffic, just use Google Ads. Want to learn more on how to promote your business on a budget? Watch our other tutorials and let us know what you think in the comments.